This is the Huawei Nova 9. It debuted in China back in September, and now we're finally seeing it launched internationally. It has a Pro sibling that has a slightly beefier cooling system, a slightly smaller battery, and faster charging. Other than that, it's pretty much the same as the vanilla version of the phone. However, we're unlikely to see it launched internationally anytime soon, or at least we haven't heard any news about that. So what does Huawei's newest phone have to offer? I'm Angie for GS Marina, and these are the key features of the Huawei Nova 9. The Nova 9 has a distinctive design, mostly thanks to a camera island that really stands out. It has an accent ring around the main camera, and the other three cameras are bundled together in a way that reminds me of a video game controller. The glass back has an elegant frosted finish, and you can get the phones in black or starry blue. The phone is flattened off on the top and the bottom, making it look more modern, and you'll find a single downward-facing speaker on the bottom. It's a bit of a shame that they don't have a stereo speaker setup here. There is also no official IP rating, so don't go throwing it into pools. On the front, you'll find that the phone is aggressively curved, which adds to its premium looks, but usability-wise, it's not for everyone. There's also a sizable camera punch hole for the 32-megapixel selfie cam on the top of the display. The 6.5-inch OLED looks super sharp and vibrant. It has HDR10 support, 10-bit colors, and a 120Hz refresh rate. The Nova 9 has a good-sized 4,300 mAh battery and a 66-watt charger. Huawei is promising some really short charging times. You can top off the battery in 38 minutes. The phone comes with 128GB of base storage and 8GB of RAM. It has a Snapdragon 778G, but even though the chipset should be 5G capable, the Nova 9 only offers 4G connectivity. This is because Qualcomm is not being allowed to legally sell 5G chips to Huawei. Fortunately, this does not come at the expense of other connectivity options, so you'll still be getting dual-band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, and NFC for contactless payments. As far as software is concerned, you'll find EMUI 12 on top of Android 11. It's far from the lightest UI around, but you'll have plenty of customization options and some useful proprietary apps. Unfortunately, you still can't use Google Play services on this phone, which means you don't get the official Google apps like Photos, Maps, or Drive, and you have to access their web versions instead. It captures 12.5-megapixel stills by default. The phone also has an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, a 2-megapixel depth sensor, and a 2-megapixel macro cam. We snapped a few pictures, and we like how they look at first glance, but naturally we'll have more information in the full review. Low-light shots were good too. We noticed that night mode seems to have a subtle effect overall and just restored highlights. Huawei is continuing to battle with its American troubles, and it's a bit sad that they can't give Europeans everything that they've got. Still, the Nova 9 seems like an elegant, powerful device with a solid camera setup, and we cannot wait to put it through its paces. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments down below, and we'll try to get to them in the full review. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and I'll see you guys next time.